guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 2-year update review on my Louis Vuitton key pouch, my all-time favorite SLG from Louis Vuitton. So if you're wondering the pros and a little review on this little baby, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, I have 2 things to say. I know I haven't posted all last week. I think this whole pandemic like finally hit me. Not that like it didn't hit me when it first initially happened. It's sad, it's very just scary and all, but like I just was like mentally like broken down about it, and I didn't want to film a video when I wasn't myself. I wasn't feeling like myself or anything, so I didn't post, and I'm really sorry about that. But now we are back into the routine. I think I'm going to start posting on Tuesdays instead of Mondays. It's because Sundays is like a family day for me, so I love to spend time with my family on Sundays, and I usually post on Mondays, but I just don't have any time on Sunday because I like to dedicate that day to my family. But I think I'm gonna start posting on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if that is a good schedule for you guys, let me know. But yeah, I think I want to do that so I can give, like, you know, my full attention on Monday to film and edit and have a lot of time for it. But the second thing is, if you're new, hello, my name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury pretty much. So if you're in that kind of thing, I'm obsessed. And if you are, then just please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is now going to be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yeah, let's get right into this video because I love this piece and I love talking about it. I rave about it to everyone that asks me on my Instagram, what do you think of the key pouch? And I'm just like, oh, I could talk forever about this thing. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I bought this 2 years ago, and it wasn't that popular. I meant to say popular, but popular. Really? It wasn't really popular at the time when I bought it, but nowadays you cannot find this thing anywhere, and if it's being sold on other websites, they're marking up the price for it. I don't blame them. It is an amazing piece. So let's get into a little review. I have my notebook right here, so that is why I'm looking this way. But this is in the monogram canvas. This piece comes in 3 different canvases. So this is the monogram canvas. They come in a damier ben canvas, and also the damier azur. So the damier azur is the white checkered, and the damier ben is the brown checkered, which is very nice. And those are also hard to find. They're always sold out online. I keep stalking the site because I want to get one of these for you guys for a giveaway, but I'm gonna have to figure something else out because I do want to do a giveaway for you guys. You guys have been supporting me and watching all my videos, and I just love you guys, and I really appreciate every time that you watch my videos. But yeah, I have to do a giveaway, so I want to do a giveaway. So if you have any ideas, I'm not going to do something extravagant. I wanted to do an SLG. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely look at them and consider them. So yeah, so this has a zipper opening and closure. I love this zipper. I love Louis Vuitton zippers in general. They're just so nice and buttery smooth. And then the inside, it is this brown interior color, which is really nice. And it comes with this little chain D-ring, so you can hook your keys on here and just put it in and close it, and you're all good to go. Or you can have, I've seen a lot of people, like it's like a trend to do, is just to hook your keys on here and have this little dangle as a cute charm, or you can use this as like a little bag charm, all up to you. But it is so cute. I love this piece. So now for the dimensions of this little guy. So the length of this key pouch is 4.7 inches. The height of the key pouch is 2.8 inches. And the width of the key pouch is 0.4 inches. So this is such a great size for all the ways that you can use it, and I'll get into the pros. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little review for you guys for this. So now let's get into the pros of this. So my first pro is that this baby right here is so versatile. You can use it as many ways as you want. I do have a video, but I plan on doing an updated what you can put in this. So let me know if you have any ideas that you want me to do, that you want me to show you in that video. But this is so versatile. I've used this as a wallet, as a mini purse. You could put your cards, a little chapstick, and like a hand wipe, and you're good to go. This is such a great grab and go kind of piece. This is also such a great piece if you are wanting to dive into Louis Vuitton, start investing your money into them, but you're not sure about the quality or what kind of canvas you like. Starting something small like this, and I've mentioned this before in my videos, but when you start off with a piece like an SLG of any kind you want, it really gives you that like feel Louis Vuitton, answers your questions. But this is such a great piece to start off with because it is such a great price point. When I bought it at the time, it was $200. Now it retails for $215, which isn't that bad, honestly. But for the money that you pay for this, the versatility of it is far way more valuable than the price. So yeah, I've used this as a wallet, as a mini purse. You can use this as like a little catch-all, like put your chapstick, a little mascara, a hand sanitizer, hand wipes. It's endless what you can put in here. So I definitely recommend this if you're looking to start investing your money into Louis Vuitton, but you don't know if you like it or not. So yeah, this is a great piece for that. My other pro to this pouch is that I've had it for 2 years now, and the gold hardware is not like in bad shape at all. There's no chipping. I've literally seen key pouches that people have owned for 2 years. Sorry if you hear the wind, by the way. It's so windy out today. The weather was like really off today. It's like warm and it gets cold and it's windy, and I'm going off the subject. So yeah, I've had this for 2 years and there's no chipping, but I've seen people that own this and they're literally like the gold is coming off, and I'm like, what do you do to that thing? But yeah, mine is really in really good condition. There's no chipping at all. It does show scratches, but it's not that like deep, so you can't really notice it unless you're like literally examining it. But yeah, it's held up so well. The canvas is amazing condition. There's nothing wrong with it. This literally looks brand new, and yeah, it's so durable. So I really love that. My fourth pro to this is the interior. The interior is brown. So another way that you can use this is, I used to use this as a little key pouch, or not a key pouch, a coin pouch, because at the time I didn't have one, and I hate change like floating in my bag. It's just a worst pet peeve of mine. I just, you know, I'd rather put it in here than in my bag. It may sound bad, but I'd rather have this interior be ruined than my bag interior, because it's way more expensive for a bag. But I love the interior color because it doesn't show the coin dirtiness, if that makes sense. But every time that I take my coins out, I clean the inside of it, just to get, you know, like all the dirtiness if there's any, so I could put like other things. But I love the color so it doesn't show the dirtiness. So that is definitely a pro for me. Like I mentioned before, another pro is the zipper. It is buttery smooth. It literally zips and perfectly. It doesn't get caught on anything. And my last pro to this is the price. It is an amazing price for what it is. It's so versatile. You can use it in many different ways. Makes a great gift, and it's great if you want to start investing into Louis Vuitton. Great piece to purchase. If you guys are looking for this, I'll keep an eye out for you guys and let you know on my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name and my little scrolly thing on the screen, so you can go follow me there. People have been DMing me about questions, and I just love talking to you guys. I said this in every video. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's true. Like, I love talking to you guys about luxury. I could talk about luxury all day, every day, and I just love when people come and ask me about things, because I know I'm not an expert or anything, but I'm just giving you my honest opinion, and you know, we just get to know each other a little more, you know, so it's fun. But yeah, that is all my pros to this little key pouch. I don't have any cons. Unfortunately, I've had it for 2 years and I haven't had a con. So that is so great, because that is rare. Like, if that, you should go buy this once it becomes available. But yeah, that is my little key pouch video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm back. I'm sorry for being gone, and yeah, let's get the ball rolling on this. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas for you guys that I'm gonna do videos on, and if you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments, or you can always come and talk to me on my Instagram. And yeah, I will put my name again on the screen for my Instagram. But I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. For all the mothers that are watching this video right now, it was my birthday weekend. I'm 23, my first video back. I'm 23. I don't feel any different, honestly, but hey, another year older. I always tend to go off subject, but I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.